$2 is not a lot of money, but 60 seconds is also not a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you this crazy strategy that I've put together that you can use to make $2 every 60 seconds of your time. I'm also going to show you how you can do this over and over again and repeat this on a daily process. Just to be transparent and clear, this is not going to be some get-rich-quick scheme where you can make $100 and infinite money or something silly like that. This is going to be a great way to generate some extra side money on the side, an extra couple of dollars every minute or so to reinvest into something more sustainable, such as Facebook ads, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, an e-com business, drop servicing, you name it. This is a great way to earn some free active income from home without doing a lot of that hard work yourself. But 60 seconds, I can literally make a cup of coffee in just 60 seconds. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay. I'm a software developer, online entrepreneur, and digital marketer from South Africa. On this channel, I document my journey and teach you my daily ways that I use to make money online. So if you want to follow that journey, please leave a like on this video, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe down below with the notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway winner. So make sure to watch until the end so that you can see if you are the winner. And also make sure to watch until the end as well, because I'm going to announce how you can win $20 again in tomorrow's video. But without further ado, guys, we are now inside of my PC over here. And the first thing that you want to do is we're going to come over to Google and we're going to search the following called MaxBounty. You want to search the keyword MaxBounty. On the first link over here, there's a link that says MaxBounty, the industry's leading performance marketing. Click on that. It's going to take you to a website that looks like this. Now, MaxBounty is a website where you can get paid to give people giveaways. That's right. You can actually get paid to give people PayPal money giveaways. Now, how exactly does this work? So there are companies out there that collect email lists. That means every time they collect an email or a lead, they get paid for that, and they pay you to do that for them. So they run these big PayPal money giveaways, for example, $500, where they give $500 to a random person that enters for this lucky draw. And every time you refer someone to this lucky draw or PayPal giveaway, you get paid between $1 and $3 online for doing so. And how that company makes money is they collect all these emails, make money off affiliate commissions, online sales, and you name it. And $500 for them is not a lot. They make, let's say, thousands of dollars a month, but they take $500 to reinvest into their marketing to give away, to get people like you and me to get people to these giveaways. Let me show you how it works. On the top right, you're going to click on sign in or sign up over here. It will take you to the affiliate login portal over here where you can enter your email and password. If you haven't got an account, click on the register now button over here. I'm going to sign in with my account. Once you land on your dashboard, you've got different options on the left over here. On the top right, you'll be able to see your earnings summary, and over here, you'll be able to see your affiliate's ID. So far today, using this strategy, I've made over $101.20, probably one of my best days so far. Yesterday was more of a worse day at $52.87. This month, over $3,000 so far. But all of the earnings from this month aren't only from the strategy. I will be transparent about that. But today's earnings and yesterday's earnings are from this strategy. So this month is some earnings from this, but not all of it from this, as everything I'm about to teach you now is completely free traffic as well. The next step is on the left over here, you want to click on the search button over here, and you can find tons of different campaigns. So for example, this company is giving away an iPhone 6. You can get paid $1.60 per person that you refer to this iPhone 6 giveaway. Here is a pizza gift card. You can get paid $2.40 to go and offer a pizza giveaway. Here's a company that is doing a $5,000 giveaway competition, and you will get paid $1.60 per lead. Over here is a giveaway or a lucky draw where you can get paid $1,000 on Visa card and get paid $2.40 per person that you refer to this giveaway. In order to get started with this, click on the one that you choose. I usually like to choose money giveaways, as everybody wants to win money, free money. Not everybody wants to win an iPhone 6 or an Xbox or an Apple Watch or anything like that. I find the ones that convert the best is money giveaways. So click on the $1,000 Visa card over here, your giveaway. Over here, you can see you can do a max of 300 actions per day. So let's calculate this. If you can get 300 leads per day, 300 times $2, that's an average of $2 per lead, you can make a max of $600 a day using this strategy if you get 300 leads per day, which is not hard with the strategy I'm about to show you. If I multiply this by 30, you can make $18,000 a month referring people to this giveaway. Let me show you how to get your unique link and how to get to this landing page. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on bold tracking link over here. You're going to click on contextual on number 1, and then you're going to click on raw link over here on select a creative. Over here, you can see your affiliate link over here. Let me show you how this works. If I right click, copy my link, come over to a new tab, paste this and click on enter, it will take you to a landing page that looks like this, where you can enter the simple questionnaire, enter your email and name to enter this giveaway. Every time your lead enters their name and email on this page to enter for the giveaway, you are going to get paid $2.40. Let me show you, come back here. Over here, $2.40 per lead. But I do want you to take note of this. You will only get these commissions if you get traffic from the United States. But in this video, I have optimized it for you, and I'm going to show you how to only get traffic from the United States. So don't worry about that. I've got you covered. This is what you need to do. And the next step is you want to come over to Google and you want to go to youtube.com, which is obviously the best video hosting platform in the world right now. And all you want to do is you want to search on the search bar and type free PayPal gift cards. Click on enter over here and you will see tons of people uploading videos on how to get PayPal gift cards. This video got over 136k views in a year, 14k views in 5 months, 133k views in 2 months, 70k views in a month, and 15k views 3 weeks ago, 49k views a month ago. So this topic is getting a lot of views and a lot of attention. So what you can do is you can literally go and replicate these thumbnails over here using a website like Canva and putting them together, or download these thumbnails yourself. But this is what you want to do. Make sure to keep watching. So all you want to do is you just want to record your screen for literally 5 to 10 seconds of this landing page over here and explain to people, this is how you can win a $1,000 Visa card. Come over to this website, link in description, but it only works for the United States. I'm going to show you how to get your video to only promote itself in the United States. And I'm going to show you a tool that will rank your video on the top page over here to get you hundreds of thousands of views and clicks and signups every couple of seconds. So all you need to do is come over to YouTube, click on the upload button over here, click on upload this video to YouTube that you've now created. You need to enter your title and description and your tags. What you need to do is you need to come over to this website over here called videomarketingblaster.com. So I'm just waiting for this to load up. This is a tool where it literally takes 3 clicks is all you need to rank on Google and YouTube. Now I've purchased this tool for you guys. It's only $27. It's not any monthly fee, it's a once-off fee. And I've purchased the tool for you guys to show you how to use it. So all you're going to do is once you've purchased this tool, you're going to come over to app.blasteronline.com where you can log into your app. I'm going to click on sign in over here to sign into my app. And over here is what the Video Marketing Blaster tool looks like. All you need to do is click on the keywords option over here. For your main keyword, you want to type free PayPal gift cards. Free PayPal gift card. For worldwide, you want to go and search United States. English United States. Because this will then optimize your ranking for just the United States. Click on research over here. It will take a minute or so to research all these keywords, and over here it will pop up how to get free PayPal gift cards. Free PayPal gift cards, no human verification. So this tool is now giving you tons of keywords with a score that is perfect to rank for on Google and YouTube. So I'm going to use this first one over here as it's been recommended to me on number 1. So then all you're going to do is you're going to click on video details over here on the right. You're going to click on generate details over here, enter your main keyword, and over here you want to choose this one over here, how to get free PayPal gift card, how to get free PayPal gift card honest video. Click on next step. You just need to choose some secondary keywords over here. So choose easy way to get PayPal money, how to get free PayPal money, PayPal gift card redeem. Click on next step, click on generate over here, and click on generate details. This tool will then generate for you over here a done for you title, done for you description, and done for you tags that you can copy and paste onto your video to rank on the top page of Google. But all you want to do is you just want to click on edit over here for the title, how to get free PayPal gift card, easiest way to get PayPal money, new video, and you want to put USA only, so that people from the United States will only click on this video. Then all you want to do is copy this title, come back to the place where you've uploaded this YouTube video, come back here, copy your entire description, again, come back to YouTube, paste this over here, and over here where it says to discover more about how to get free PayPal gift card, you can click, and all you want to do is come back to MaxBounty, copy your link, and you want to paste this over here, which will then take people to the landing page where they can sign up for this giveaway. For your thumbnail, just come back to YouTube over here where we search those PayPal gift cards. So let's just go PayPal gift card again, and you can go and download or remake any one of these thumbnails and upload it to your video. Now what you want to do is post this video to your channel, share it on your Instagram stories, share it on your Facebook, get a couple of views on the video, and this tool, Video Marketing Blaster over here, will automatically start promoting your videos to the top of the page, getting you thousands of views and thousands of signups from the right country, being the United States, getting you dollars and signups and CPA commissions, that's $2 every couple of seconds from views that you get overnight. So like I explained to you guys, what I just showed you is definitely scalable, but I want to show you something that you can use to scale to beyond 6 figures a year. In 2020, I went from zero, that's zero, no money at all, to over $200,000 profits selling rare high income skills and services around the world without actually doing those services myself. It's called drop servicing, or another term for outsourcing. Over here, I've created an entire 57 video intensive training program, and I'm looking for those who are really driven and really want to succeed with their goals and where they want to get to with their businesses. So over here, I've created a quick 7-minute video explaining to you what is in this program, how much I've made from all my stores in the last year from doing this, and each and every module, and exactly what is in this course. So there's no flexing houses, no flexing Lambos or anything like that. It's straight to my desk, straight to business, as I'm looking for serious students who really want to succeed with this. Over here, I've also posted some results of current students in the course. I've had some crazy results from people that have been taking this program and getting tons of sales on their drop servicing store. Over here, I actually show you each and every bonus that is included, such as an exclusive invite to my VIP group, my list of my top 3 services, my winning Google Ads combo, and tons over here. You can come over to the first link in the description, read through all of this, and you can also get your own done for you agency created for you, and you can view down below at the page every single module and video included in this program. Over here, you can use this coupon at the bottom at the checkout to get over 80% off to celebrate the launch of this program, and you can add this to cart over here. Just to let you know, you do get lifetime access to this program. You get access whenever you want. You can log in on your mobile phone or your PC and watch this course anytime. It is a digital membership based area course where you can chat to me through a help desk and watch all of these videos in this 57 video intensive training program. But without further ado, guys, go down below, claim this for over 85% off if you are a driven student and really want to build a successful business for yourself. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I just quickly wanted to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway. This person on the screen over here won today's $20 giveaway. Well done to you. Just DM me on Instagram over here and I will message you back and send you your giveaway over there. But if you want to stand the chance to win another $20 in tomorrow's video, all you need to do is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe down below with the bell on, and then comment down below that you've done so with your favorite quote. And then in tomorrow's video, I will pop up the winner on the screen like I did today. And I can also see that you've done all three of these things. So make sure that you do all three. And in tomorrow's video, you can win $20. But without further ado, guys, I'm going to leave a playlist over here to help you guys out make even more PayPal money online and teach you ways to do affiliate marketing and online business. So this playlist over here is a whole bunch of videos that I've compiled together for you over the last 2 years. So make sure to go and watch this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.